Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Google account name using both your computer and your Android phone. This is really simple, and once you change it, your new name will appear across all Google services like Gmail, Drive, and YouTube. Let's start on Windows or any computer. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in to the Google account you want to edit. On the left side, click Personal Info. Under Basic Info, you'll see your name. Click on it. Now, click the pencil icon next to your name. Type in your new first and last name and click Save. That's it, your Google account name has been updated successfully. Now let's do it on Android. Open your Settings app and scroll down to Google. Tap Manage your Google account. At the top, swipe over to the Personal Info tab. Under Basic Info, tap Name. Then tap the pencil icon, edit your name, and tap Save. Your changes will sync automatically across your Google apps. If you don't see the update right away, give it a few minutes. Sometimes it takes a little while to refresh on Gmail, YouTube, or Drive. Also remember, changing your Google account name doesn't change your Gmail address. It just updates the name people see when you send them an email or comment on a video. If you're using a school or work account, you might need to contact your admin to make the change. And that's it. Now you know how to change your Google account name on both computer and mobile. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my next tech tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.